Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a question for you today. How is your closet organized? I know you're probably wondering, Tiffany, what are you talking about? What does organizing my closet have to do with anything? I'm tongue-tied right now. It has everything to do with everything. One of the things that I believe is that if you want to change your life, you start in your closet. Because in our closets, we hold a ton of stuff. And if truth be told, it's probably not as organized as we think it actually is or should be. Having an organized closet, it takes the stress and the anxiety and the overwhelmingness of when you get dressed in the morning. It becomes daunting. It becomes something like, oh, I don't want to do this. Do I have to get dressed? I don't want to have to look for X, Y, and Z. Or if you've been like me, you have a few days before you have to go somewhere and you're probably thinking, okay, I want to wear this top, this skirt. Now, where did I put it? And let me go dig in my closet or dig in my drawers right now so I can find it, so I can have it, so it can spend time. But if you have an organized closet, everything has its own place. You are able to see everything at an eye level. And when you open up your closet, it brings you peace and it brings you joy. And you are now, when you get dressed, it becomes sort of, I don't want to say like an event, but it becomes like an event. That's what I'll call it here today. I'll call it an event. So today I want to give you a few tips on why your closet needs to be organized. And it's also part of Loving Your Closet series, because let's be honest, there are many, many forms of self-care, and having a clean and organized closet is actually one of them. So here we go. You want to organize by category. So this means putting all your pants together, putting all your skirts together, putting all your blouses together, putting all of your blazers together. This is what I actually do in my closet as of right now. It's really easy, it's really simple. I'm able to see everything, and I can actually pull things out and make outfits a lot easier. So if it's, I'm gonna pull a pair of pants, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this blouse. If I need a blazer, I can pull out the blazer. If I wanna wear a skirt, I can wear a skirt. So everything is in a way to where it's really just easy to pull and grab. It allows you to see what you have at a glance. You want to think about it as a department store. So when you go into a department store, if you go into a boutique, everything is organized by category. Pants, jeans, tops, shirts. This makes it easy to find when you're walking into the store. So if you ask a sales consultant, hey, I'm looking for purple pants, they're going to direct you into the location of where the purple pair of pants are. By designating a space for each category in your closet, even when putting clothes away, it becomes very easy. So you're just not stuffing it back in there, because now you're used to your closet being in such a way that you don't want to mess up the flow. You don't want to mess up the feeling that it gives you when you open up the closet. By doing this also, I don't get overwhelmed anymore. Now, granted, I don't have a lot of stuff in there right now because I've gotten rid of stuff over the past few years, which I do on a regular basis. But by putting it by category, it allows you just to give yourself a very clean visual of what you have, especially if you have a small closet. I have a decent sized closet, but it's long. I don't have a walk-in closet, which I actually miss. But I'm still able to see everything. When I open the doors, I can actually see everything, and I know exactly what I'm working with. So number one is you want to organize by category. Number two, you want to organize by color. So you can organize by category first, and then after this, you can organize by color. I don't organize by color. You're lucky that I organize it by category. Now, this is another way to see how many items you have, say, in a specific color. So maybe you have 30 pairs of black pants. We're all guilty of that, right? So with that 30 pair of black pants, you don't need 30 pairs of black pants. You may need 5 or 7 at the max, at the most. So now you're able to see what you have. And even when you're going shopping, you're able to take note of, okay, I already have a purple skirt, I already have a yellow blazer, so I don't need that color. Maybe I need to try to introduce a new color. Say if you have all black, all white, all one, like neutral colors, and you want to introduce colors, you're able to do that because you kind of have a palette. You get to see the type of color palette that you're actually working with. When people do this by color, they recommend that you do it by the rainbow. So I think it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, I want to say indigo, and violet maybe, I think those are the colors. So it provides a contrast between each group. So when you're looking at your blouses, it looks like a pretty rainbow. So now you're able to see, you're pretty much in all case scenarios, it just allows you to see what you have, what you need, especially when it comes to color. Another suggestion that you might want to do if you're doing it by color is go from light to dark. So you have your lights at the beginning and then you can kind of work your way back. So number 2 is organizing by color. Number 3, stack your foldables. So I don't put sweaters or jeans. I don't hang my jeans. I actually put them in my drawer because I don't have a lot of jeans. So I'm able to put them in a drawer so that way I can just go in and pull them. It makes your closet look a lot less neater and cleaner, and you don't have a lot of bulky stuff, and it gives you more room and more space. That's what I kind of get and see. If you have clothes, another thing is too, especially with sweaters, you don't want to hang sweaters because if you hang sweaters, they'll sometimes outstretch the collars and the tops of they'll stretch them out. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you lie them flat, stack them somewhere, or find a place in your drawers to place them. So you definitely want to stack your foldables. There's another way to organize your closet, and this is a little extra tip. Design your closet, and I'm not necessarily saying go to California Closet or go to IKEA or go to the Container Store, but you can do this as a DIY yourself. So if you're able to, you can maybe take drawers, go buy, say we'll use IKEA for example, and you can go maybe buy drawers that you can input into your closet that you can put your stackables. If you want to keep everything in your closet, you can insert a drawer in your closet so that you can put them in there. You can maybe consider it your island to where you can have all of your perfumes and your makeup and your jewelry and accessories, things of that nature. You may want to make a display out of your shoes. If you have them, maybe put them in, you can coordinate those by color. You may want to, if you have space, maybe add a mirror or add wallpaper, add a new lighting fixture if you're able to. Anything that you would want to do to brighten up and make yourself excited and to make your space feel good when you get dressed in the morning. Because how we dress is a feeling. And when you open up your closet, you should feel good, and whatever is in there, it should make you smile and it should make you feel good, because it's a great way to start the day. Now, if you can afford it, then yes, I highly recommend you go to one of the companies like California Closets, the Container Store, to where they can actually help you design your ultimate closet. That is on my wish list. As soon as I buy a house, that is the first thing I am going to do, is I'm going to design my own closet, but I'm gonna have somebody do it for me. Come in and design my own custom closet. That is the one thing that I have always wanted. So that is on my list to do. So I hope that this helps get you started with loving your closet. And over the next few episodes, we are going to be talking about ways to love your closet. So I hope you stay tuned. Make sure if you've made it to the end of this video, please hit the subscribe button so that you are always in the know of when new videos are uploaded, as I upload every week on Sundays. So with that, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. How do you organize your closet? Or better yet, do you organize your closet? And if you don't, what do you need help with organizing your closet? Because I am here to help you. So with all that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.